Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to see completed tasks in Asana. So first we're going to log into our Asana site. Then as you can see there are a lot of tasks. So when you click on the green check mark, it's going to complete it for you. Same with the others, you're going to see a rainbow mark. So this is how you complete the tasks. Then next you're going to click on filter. Then you're going to click on completed tasks. So it's going to show you the list of completed tasks. So this is how you can check it. It's a very simple step. But if you guys go and unmark the check, it's going to take it back to its previous version, which is it not being complete. So if you guys remove the filter, you guys can see there are a lot of tasks that you guys need to complete. So this is how you can check if you guys completed the task or not. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I have to see you again. Goodbye.